Welcome back to Fit Survive channel. So we're back with another huge 58mm. It's a custom Swiss Army knife. So this is a Spydernox Grand Titan, and some of the tools in here are things that I used to say would be impossible, and so we have made it possible this time around. This has 10 tools from a 91mm Swiss Army knife, 2 from a 74mm, 2 from a 65, which is actually a winger, and then one also from a Suiza, 1 from Nightcore blade, and then 1 from a Spyderco. And so this thing is absolutely huge. In fact, it is almost as wide as it is long. So you can see right at 57mm there, that is 2.2 inches. All right, and you see, so this is 58 like this. So this thing is absolutely huge. A lot of tools here. So let's go ahead and go through these. So you have the Spyderco Honeybee blade. All right, after that is the Phillips combination tool. And this has a mod here for the wire stripper, made it a bit sharper. All right, then the original scissors. All right, after that is something that I used to say was impossible. So check this out. This has a set of pliers. So this is modified from 91mm pliers, and then it does not have any springs. So you can see right through this tool, and then basically it just spins around like that, and then press on this, and it locks into place. So that does not fall out of there when it's closed. All right, after that you have the emergency flat blade. Then you have the hook blade, also known as the orange peeler. Then here you see, these are the 4mm original Victorinox bits. So this is a custom bit holder that I made by hand out of G10. So you see that bit holder, and so you know what's coming on the opposite side. You turn this around so that bead goes in there. So on this side means you have, of course, the bit driver, which again was something that people had requested before, or commented on at least. And I always said it was impossible to do, and so we did make it possible this time. And so we'll get to that side here in just a bit. All right, so continue on here. This is a original blade. It's been serrated. All right, next to that is a very rare but original tool from Victorinox. This is the watch band remover. And so literally that's all it is just a little nick to the top. Now it's not sharp or anything. That's the only thing it is it's meant for removing watch bands or the pins in a watch band. But then next up, you see this black, kind of like a large spacer here all the way around the knife. This is my new method for holding the pick and tweezer. And so on this side, we have the tweezers. And then on the opposite side, of course, we have the pick. And so this is made also out of G10. Actually it's made out of carbon fiber. But again, a really cool design. I had some help getting that milled out. All right, then after that, you have the original blade. But what we've done here is we added a small liner lock. So you can see now this does not close. So just slide that over, and then that'll snap shut. All right, after that, we have the wood saw. This is from a 91mm saw that's been basically modified to fit. Still got good snap to it. All right, after that, you have the USB drive. So it's 32 gigabytes. It's got a Type A, Type C. That is also, of course, removable. All right, then continuing on, another 91mm tool. This is the awl from the back of a 91mm Swiss Army knife. All right, then another original 58mm tool. This has been modified, so it has this nail cleaner mod. Then next up is another back tool from a 91mm. So this is the chisel. After that, we have this tool here that we modified from the cuticle pusher. So we sharpened it up to this kind of angled section there. All right, then we have a ruler, and this has the tick removal mod. So basically just a slit right there in the tip for getting underneath the tick and lifting it safely that way. All right, then this is also from a 91mm. This is from the 91mm spatula. Modified that to be basically a small little fork, like maybe for crab legs or for small things like that. All right, then you have a flathead. This is also the combo tool. All right, so that is just one side. So let's go into the opposite side now. Start off, this is a handcuff key. All right, then you have another 91mm tool. This is the fish descaler. Also has a ruler, centimeters on this side, inches on this side. All right, then from a 74mm executive, you have the orange peeler. Next to that is a tool from this is from the Winger pocket tool chest, which is a 65mm tool. All right, then the pliers, I've already showed you that. Then another 91mm back tool. This is the small flathead screwdriver. All right, then again, that bit driver there, which, I mean, seriously, how cool is that? You got your bit, you have 2 spare bits here on the back. I mean, that's just super cool in my opinion. All right, next up, this is the cuticle pusher that has been modified to be a chisel. You see that is nice and sharp. All right, then after that, you have the original nail file with a flat head right here. Okay, then again, that spacer there for holding the pick and the tweezers. Right, then you have the Swism. This is the awl from the Swism. See right there, really cool tool as well. All right, after that, we have the original blade, which has been reshaped to be a Tanto. This side is a small flathead screwdriver, kind of like eyeglass screwdriver, again from the Winger pocket tool chest. And then over here is the divot repair tool. That's from the Victorinox Caddy. Again, it's an original tool. All right, then once again, that USB drive there in the middle. And here's a half serrated blade. All right, and then an original ruler. There, here you can see this is the parcel hook from a 91mm back tool. And it has the nail file on it as well. All right, then next, also took lots of effort to get this done, but we have the 91mm file, which has been reshaped to fit here in the 58mm Swiss Army knife. Also has good snap there. All right, and then the file from, this is also from the 74mm Executive. All right, and then lastly, it's the Spyderco. This is the NTK05. It's a scalpel holder. So cool thing about that is you can just basically pop this off or replace those scalpels whenever it gets dull. All right, so stick around. I'm gonna open this up. All the tools, let you see how it looks with all of them opened at the same time. All right, and then that's how it looks with all the tools open. You can see that is a whole toolbox there of tools. See the USB is kind of hanging around there. So anyways, that is basically it for this knife. You can see just an insane amount of tools on this Spydernox Grand Titan. So this is now officially my largest. So let me know what you think about this. I realize this may not be practical for everybody. You know, it's not necessarily going to be most pocket friendly or the most usable tool with having everything here at the same time. But nonetheless, let me know what you think about that. Some of these really like difficult mods like the pliers and the bit driver. Curious to hear your thoughts about that, about what you think about those mods, and maybe the rest of it as well. Maybe what you like, what you don't like. Let me know what you think I missed. What should I have added to have a complete set of everything possible? So let me know down in the comments. I'll definitely be curious to see what you guys have to say. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.